Yo guys, what's good? It's your boy Small Spartan J. Welcome back to Survival Fitness YouTube channel. And we are never gonna forget legs. We gotta do legs. We are gonna be demonstrating what a pistol squat is, what's wrong, body weight, and weighted. We got Fidel for what's wrong. You wanna show them what's wrong? So as you can see, he collapsed at the bottom and he's gonna try to get back up, but he can't. He's gonna fail. We're gonna go show them again. Show them again. So make sure you're watching this. Make sure you're watching this. He goes all the way down. He's going to collapse. That's a no rep. And he's going to try to get back up, but he's not going to get back up. You might as well just stay seated there because that was wrong. And then we're going to show you what body weight is. Hip is below the knee. Her leg is straight. And she's extending. Ooh, ooh. One more time. One more time. And she's going to extend all the way at the top. Again, hip below the knee. All the way to the top. Did you see that, guys? Soraya, come over here. Oh my god, let me see that weight. Oh my god, now there you go. So it's a weighted pistol squat. Have the weight on your chest. Again, hip below your knee, leg fully extended, and all the way at the top. That is a correct rep. Kids, you guys are amazing. You want to go again? One more time. One more time. Hip below the knee, all the way to the top, and make sure you're not paused at the bottom. Make sure your bum is not touching the floor. Guys, please like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. Never skip your legs.